Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Deep cleaning before Ramadan is what everyone does, and that's one of the ways to welcome Ramadan. I too had some areas which I had to keep organized as it was very much in a disorder. In our main bedroom, that's the master bedroom, I have this drawer where I keep all the candles, essential oils, string lights and few others. Another drawer, which is a total chaos, is the stationery. I had bought this drawer organizer from Amazon and it's perfectly fitting inside. And that's complete. The dish drain I had near the sink was just a big stainless steel basket and another small drain to keep plates. That was not at all perfect to keep in that small space. I shall provide the links of all the items I purchased from Amazon. You may check out if you need them. So this one is another stainless steel stand to place near the sink. There wasn't a tray below, so I kept the one that I had for the earlier one bought from IKEA. Moving on to my storage room, which actually looks like a garage dump with lots of stuff. However I try to organize it, it gets too untidy. There was a big carton box below with lots of stuff. That itself was really untidy. Finally, I took all the pain with patience to organize in a way that I will not have to reorganize again. So I took everything out to rearrange from the beginning. This is another organizer to place mops, brooms and other. I had lots of these small glass jars. These tiny ones were bought from 5 Real shops in Riyadh, and the other ones are from IKEA. I had it in 2 baskets, so placed all in one basket. That's extra spoons and other. These are microfiber cloths, best for cleaning countertops and other. Apart from the storage room, I have these racks on top which were empty. All these vessels were occupying so much space in the storeroom, and now this has saved a lot. Now these many vessels are needed when the whole family joins for food. We'll need large pots to cook food. So all those that I would need on a daily basis will be kept at easy access. The rest will be kept aside together. This is one large pot I use for cooking. It's stainless steel and heavy bottom. You might have seen this in my Riyadh vlogs. The ones that I had bought, a set of 3 pots, is of Kokma's brand. Again heavy bottom and stainless steel. So only a few that I would need regularly are my steamer, a white vessel and some other. I have 2 pressure cookers here, 8 liters and 5 liters. But I just love this cooker which I had been using from a very long time. The brand is Fab Pro. So I'll be using this as well as a small one which is Nolta brand. Back to the storeroom. Organizing actually depends on each one. The ones placed at easy access should be what we would be needing on a daily basis. It took me around 1.5 hours to finish the storeroom because I kept changing the location for each basket till I was satisfied. Those huge aluminium pots are very rarely used, and this is very commonly seen in almost all the houses I have been in Kerala. We use this for cooking for functions at home. So that's the final look, and I hope I don't have to bring any more changes. The large 3 red buckets are for putting in plastic covers, cleaning cloths, and some extras. I wanted to complete the whole kitchen and storeroom on the same day, but couldn't make it. At least the next day wanted to finish it off. This is one strong pot organizer, and I bought this to place all my iron kadais and other iron pans. It was totally in a disorder, and this made it look neat. Those are the extra large pots I'll be using only when our families join us at home. This is the dish train I had, and now I use it to place all my clay pots in it. This rack was unused. Few glasses and cups were placed in just for a show. Give a change. I placed the money plant on top of the rack. Didn't like the look of it hanging from there, so placed it on another shelf. Many of you had been asking about these tiny ceramic pots. These were included in the interior, and I'm not sure where these were bought. If I find any online, shall definitely link in the description box. Since I placed all the spice bottles and other on the rack, this 3-tier rack remained unused. So placed it in this spot and was perfect to place all the jars of my mixer grinder. The white spice rack that I bought from IKEA was used initially to place the mixer jars. So that goes into this cabinet to organize the cups. Here's where I had placed all the spatulas, and it was looking very congested. So gave a change even to that, as it looked really untidy. I had this wooden tray which I had bought from Mysore quite a long time back. I think even before Arman was born. Used this to place the holders. Again, ceramic pots I use for keeping all the spoons. The air fryer and the stand mixer goes in here. I don't know if any one of you remember this. I had shown how to make this in one of my room makeover vlogs from Riyadh, which included lots of other crafts. Shall share the link of that video in the description box. This glass with long handle will be used for taking water from the big pot. This kitchen table has chairs that's tucked in and it looks very neat as the chairs don't stay out. This is another dish train from IKEA. I have placed this on top so that I can keep more pots in case there are no plates. There are two pipes that's fitted near the sink. This one is for drinking water, that's a filtered water. The other one is for cleaning purpose. And this pipe has two ways of water flow. There's a button on it where you can switch to both the ways. This soap dispenser is really convenient to use as no liquid that's unused go waste. You just have to pump up the needed soap and start using. This one was bought from IKEA, from Riyadh. The soap dispenser, again from IKEA. And in this one, I keep hand wash. My 5-burner stove is from Faber and the chimney hood is also from the same. Now so many of you had been requesting to show the smokeless oven we have. There are 3 holes here. On the middle we place a pot with some water. It's placed for the smoke to not come out while cooking, because when we place a cooking pot here and burn the woods below, the fire and smoke will be passed through here as there is a hole inside. The woods or any other that's needed to burn will be placed through here. And again, whenever we start cooking on one side, we remove this flat metal kind of thing and place over to the other side, or else the smoke would be coming out through the woods and house would be full of smoke. And in case we are cooking on both the sides, we remove the flat metal and keep aside. These rings are placed depending on the size of the pot you are using. There are lids to cover and it looks neat. So that's all for my little kitchen exploration. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know you liked today's video. Do pass in your valuable comments. Hope you all are staying safe. See you all with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.